ko boleletse gore re leba jalo ka ko Kutzenberg Stadium ka ko Stellenbosch go re fitlela jalo bo president wa South African Sports Association for Physically Disabled ke Jean Miggles. Jean, good evening and welcome to Ga-Rankuwa FM.
Good evening, Rory-san and listeners, and thank you for having me on your show tonight.
Thank you very much for affording us your time this evening. The last time you and I spoke, you were in Cairo for the World Boschia Africa Regional Championship. But tonight we are speaking to you live from Stellenbosch ahead of the national championships. Give us a brief background of this annual event.
Yes, thank you so much. The national championships is a very elite athlete event for athletes. Very, very important event, because at this event for athletics, athletes have an opportunity to better their ranking and their times. And at this championships, we've got 8 sporting codes which athletes will be able to take part in. I must say that we are ready. We are ready to go. We are starting tomorrow. Tomorrow we're starting with goalball and boccia. We are having powerlifting and we are having judo tomorrow. And tomorrow evening it's the opening ceremony.
Why was Stellenbosch the preferred venue for 2026?
Every year we plan for 4 years. So every year we take it to a different province. Last year, as you know, it was in Gqeberha. This year we're in Stellenbosch. Next year we will be in Gauteng.
Oh, yeah. And, you know, before we kicked off our conversation, I did say the last time you and I spoke, you were in Egypt for the regional championship of Boschia. And with the Commonwealth Games on the horizon, surely players that will represent the country, especially in Boschia, are upbeat ahead of the national championships.
No, for Commonwealth Games, we will have athletics. We do have a long list. Athletes still have an opportunity this week to qualify for the Commonwealth Games.
And, you know, you've always had, in terms of stakeholders, you've always had Toyota as your title sponsor. How long has the partnership been between the two entities, and what are the talks? Are you likely to renew when it ends?
We only have a contract for this year, up until the end of December. So what we'll then do, we will then have talks with Toyota again to find out if they're going to be the sponsor next year or whatever. But we only have it for this year, and we want to thank Toyota for coming on board.
Any hydration partner that has joined you for the 2026 edition?
We do have partners. We have SCORE that came on board. There's a lot of small partners that came on board to make sure that this event is a success. Also knowing that it's also the Winelands Athletics. So they are starting tomorrow. So we have the Winelands the championships, and we have our championships. So yes, this week it's going to be awesome. It's going to be epic. We want to invite the communities to come out and have a look and see what disability sports is all about.
Yeah, but was it ideal to run both the national championship and the Winelands championship parallel?
Yes, it's ideal, because at the Winelands, the athletes can also better their timing. So the Winelands give them an opportunity to put their ranking up, as well as the national championships.
Yeah. And then in terms of those who are not able to be at Kutzenberg Stadium physically, are there any streaming services that are available, or can we watch or catch all the matches live on TV? What's the situation there, President?
No, there's not going to be streaming, but we will have the media here. We will have SABC here. So at the end of the day, all they need to do, they go onto the SASAPD website or on the SASAPD Facebook. Yeah, they must watch it there. The results will be there. There will be clips there, and they will be able to see what's happening.
Great stuff. I know as an association you must be pleased with both Yane van der Merwe and Colin Mahlalela having walked away with accolades at the Mpumalanga Sports Awards.
Yes, we are very proud of our athletes and the good work that they are doing. They're working hard. And we want to just see them growing and reaching their dreams, because SASAPD is known for a federation where dreams are important for us.
Indeed. Unfortunately, we end our conversation on a sad note, President, following the passing of the young Thapelo Moche, the BC4 Boschia player from Northwest.
Yes, you know, we are very sad about it. As we also know that we also lost our previous president, Muki Grobler, and we also lost Niels Matthijser. You know, so it's one of those things that is very, very sad.
Yeah, no, indeed. Anyway, President, we'll be following through on your social media platforms as to what will be going down in Stellenbosch for the national championships. We wish you all the best. I know. Have you prepared your speech for the opening ceremony?
Yes, I'm ready. We will also have the Honorable Minister of Sports with us. We are super excited about it. So yes, we are more than ready.
Yeah, no, I saw some news outlets from his department indicating that he's in the Western Cape. Surely his presence will indeed ignite some fire into our athletes.
Most definitely, because especially the Bocha athletes that is looking forward to meet the minister, because the minister was the one that was sponsoring last year's Cairo's trip for the athletes.
Fantastic stuff. Madam President, thank you very much and all the best.
Thank you so much and have a good evening.
Thank you. Honorable Sanale nao ke mo presidente wa SASAPD ki bua jalo ka Jean Miggles metshameko wa national championship ya simolla simuso ka moso ka ko Kutsenberg Stadium ka ko Stellenbosch.